Konnichiwa, namae wa Leberu desu. Today I'm doing a little bit of a checkup from my last video. We're gonna see how well I've progressed in terms of my Japanese learning. I've been busy. I've also been trying to learn Spanish at the same time. So, yeah, I'm gonna do more videos over time. I'm probably not gonna do them as often as I used to. I've been learning Japanese for 155 days. So I think it's about time to get a little bit of a checkup and see how I'm doing in terms of like my general knowledge and reading. I'll also show you one of my lessons that I've done through LingQ to just kind of show you my reading level. I did Duolingo initially when I learned Japanese, so some of this might be familiar, but probably not. I kind of forgot it after I went over to normal learning methods, so why don't we just get started over here. Hello there, I'm Duo. Let's get this party started. Why am I learning Japanese? I'm doing it for fun. I'm literally doing it for fun. Maybe I'll go out to like travel or something, but oh, I can't do both. Awesome. I would like to say I know some common words. I can't have basic conversations right now. I'm gonna find my level. That's what we're doing today. Sumimasen is excuse me. That's good. I like it.
Sumimasen.
Koto?
Koto.
I don't know what koto is. Is that court?
Bruh.
Koko is here, so.
Sumimasen.
Sumimasen is excuse me. That's correct.
Ni.
Ni is ni. Like the kanji for this means two. Ni is like the location particle. Which of these is two?
Ni.
Wow, I wonder. Yeah, Japanese kanji has like the lines from the numbers. So san is 3, ichi is 1, ni is 2. That's good.
1時半です
Ichi, huh?
1時半です
Ichiji han desu. It's 1:30. Oh, okay. Oh no, I'm cooked.
はい3時です
Hey,
はい
3
3時です
Sanji desu. Yeah, oh, they're doing time right now. That's why.
いいえ今3時です
No, it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. No, it's 3 o'clock. That's it. I knew it.
朋友是一个坚韧不拔
Yeah, I've usually heard time in terms of toki. I've never heard it with G. I guess that's how Duolingo does it. That's weird though. Select the correct. I don't see it here.
1、2、4、3
What is going on? Duolingo, what are you doing? I don't see it, but yeah, san is this. Okay, it's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. I'm cooking.
いいえ2時です
No, it's 2 o'clock. I know what the characters are for Ni. I just don't know why Duolingo isn't showing them here, but what time is it now? Ima nanji desu ka?
今何時ですか
Is this it? Because I think it's like the subject is it's different. Yes! Alright. It's about 1 o'clock now. About? Goro.
フォロ
Goro?
今フォロ1時です
No, I think that's the wrong sentence structure. I don't even know if Goro means about. Ima ichijiju goro desu. Okay, I got the sentence structure wrong. That's okay. Are you making me do this again? Skip that. Bruh. Ima ichiji goro desu. Yeah, whatever. Test my rest of my shit. Okay, where am I at? Where am I at, Duo? My Duolingo score is 10. What section am I at? Section 2 looks like the right level. No! Section 2. I mean, that's not a terrible place to put me. Let me see what section 1 is. Okay. Not terrible, but I mean, I could probably do more. Let's jump to section 4 and see if I can do it. Studying?
勉強
Yeah, so we'll do benkyo. Gakko means school. I do that part. Jogingu? Why are you using the katakana word? The loan word. Hashinu means run. I guess that's just to be friendly with learners. Okose. I don't know what that word is.
高校生
Kokose. I don't even see the characters though. Duolingo is just doing a great job over here.
厳しい先生が2人いました
Oh my god. 2 teachers abroad? Kibishi is either abroad or strict. I don't remember which. There are 2 strict teachers. Oh my god, I knew it. Sensei, Naka sensei no toki o hajimemashita. Bomi is trash, so no, that's not it. Tennis, shiruba. Tennis? See, tennis. Okay, that's not bad.
美術の授業は楽しかったです
Binutsu no jigyo. Art class was really fun. I think that's what this is, because I don't think that's boxing. So art class was really fun. Art class was fun! Oh no, it's not really. Oh no, I'm cooked, bro. Gita. Oh no, I'm cooked! Alright, I'm doing this one. No! Apparently I'm not good enough for section 4. Let's try section 3. So my level right now is Unit 3, barely getting to Unit 3, which is fine. There's 6 units in Duolingo. I got to Section 3, so that's not bad. And I'm gonna pause right now and show you some of my reading level, just so we get to the bottom of what my Japanese knowledge actually is. So I'll be right. I've been reading. I don't have the kanji memorized, but these are all the yellow words that I've been reading today.
Oh my god!
Demo ba? Ba. But bar, pub bar, mada, kite? Aite. Mitai? This bar does seem open yet, or it doesn't seem open yet? I think that's what this sentence is trying to say, that the bar does or doesn't seem open yet. I don't remember. I don't have the context. Yes. Koko wa mada aite. This bar is still open. I guess that's what he's saying here. He's not saying nai. So he's saying that the bar is still open. To omoimasu. So that's what he thinks. Yeah, that's what he thinks. He thinks the bar is still open. So, demo mada... Nigiyaka, which is lively. Mada nikiyabi desu. He's saying, but the place is lively, even though the bar is open. Hontou ni... See, this is what I've been getting before. I think this is like, no, Toshi. This is Toshi, so this is like before 1 year. 1 year ago.
Gozen.
Oh, Gozen. No, like, see, Toki is right here.
Ji.
Or Toki. Well, Ji, yeah. I've been hearing it as Toki. Doesn't seem like it's 1 o'clock. I guess that's what he's saying. It really doesn't seem like it's 1 o'clock. Because he's walking down the street and it's lively. Koko wa kurabu? Kurabu. Oh my god, I'm not reading the kanji right, bro. I literally missed the particle, or the dash over there. Kurabu ga arun desu ne. Here is a club, isn't it? Nanka.
Night club.
Night club. So he's like talking about nightclubs and clubs.
Area.
This area. Wait, no.
Aru.
Oh, there is. There's something in this area. So see, like, I can read certain passages and not have issue. It's just I'm still memorizing the kanji and I'm still trying to figure out the grammar and all that stuff. So that's my progress in terms of learning Japanese. I think next time I'll go into a game or something else like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a good day.